If you think two girls in one cup is bad, check this out. Yum. Yummy. She's enjoying it.
Facial.
That looks so delicious. Now go to the bowl. Here you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in that bowl.
Go. Put your hands.
Oh.
So disgusting. It's dripping. She's dripping.
Oh god. Bleeding chocolate. Okay, cut.
It's dripping.